Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tinsel, and today I'm back with Margarita, and she wanted for the new year some glitter in her hair. So we used this hair tinsels, and we're going to show you how we attach it to her hair. Thanks to a lot of videos that we have been watching before on YouTube, we were able to achieve this, and I show you now on the other side how I started it. We did the middle parting before, and then I clip about 1 finger, 2 finger, 1.5 finger wide strand away from the middle parting. I used some hairspray to give some extra grip to the hair, and then I'm taking a very small portion of hair, just about, I would say 5 to 10 hairs. I put this away, and then I take the hair tinsels. So lay them over your index finger, put 3 fingers through, flip this loop, and then join the top and the bottom together while you still have the 3 fingers inside, and you create a slip knot. I show you here again, perhaps it's better to see. There you see, I'm going with my 3 fingers inside of the loop over my index finger. I flip them down, then I take my thumb to reach to my thumb, and I have this slip knot. This is all that I did with the tinsels. So again, I go inside, I flip around, I take my thumb, and then enter with the 3 fingers in that slip knot. So this I'm holding with the fingers down while the 3 fingers are inside of the loop. I take the strand, I'm holding hair and the tinsel, I bring the hair through the loop, and then I bring the end of the hair through the hair loop. Now I attach the tinsels to the hair, I'm pushing them to the scalp, and then what I find very convenient, because the tinsels are slippery, I split them in half, and then I do a simple knot. So I take about, I think there were 4 or 3 tinsels. I wanted to start with just a little glitter, and you see there, with half of it on each side, I just do a knot, and this secures the hair, and then you can bring down the little hair strand where you attached it. Then you see I used silver and pink. Now I'm going to take another hair strand. This what stays up now and will go down when the other hair is over it. Take again a tiny strand. Like I said before, it's about 5 to 10 single hairs. It's very tiny. You can use some gel, some water if you want. I just used it like this, and now the next tinsels are silver. I bring again over my thumb the loop in the middle of the tinsels. Then I bring 3 fingers through, I hold with this thumb, and I join everything up and down to that. I hold with my little finger and the ring finger the tinsels down, then I combine them to the hair, hold everything tight. While I bring the hair through, I'm closing the slip knot, and then I bring completely through the hair loop the hair strand. Now bring the knot that you created with the loop, bring it down until the scalp, then split the tinsels into 2 strands, equal parts, and make a simple knot to secure. If you pull on the tinsels, you can still remove it, but I had the feeling, as mine were very slippery, that this makes sure that they stay better in place. And I can tell you, Margarita is wearing them now since 3 days, and she's very happy with them. Let's see how long it stays in place. When she washes her hair, it should go. So the last ones are the pink ones again. Like before, I prepare the tiny strand. I put it away just over the clip that I see it. Then I do like I showed before the loop. What I wanted to show you here, they have the same length, so I put it my index finger in the middle, flip around, hold tight with the last two fingers in your hand, combine with the hair strand, then bring the hair through, create a hair loop, and then bring the hair strand through. Then pull the tinsels to the scalp, bring them down, split the tinsels into 2 equal halves and tie a simple knot. Like this, you make sure, and of course with the hairspray, that nothing slips down. And then I'm just releasing the hair on the top, and this covers where one could see the knots, and make sure that the tinsels just are peeking through. Now of course here the tinsels are longer than her hair, so what I do is I take the hair with the tinsels, then I pull the tinsels down a bit, and then I just cut them, and when I release now, they are a bit shorter than the hair, and like this they don't look through, or they don't peek out at the ends. And this is the final result. Margalida was very happy. So look at this, just a bit of shimmer and just perfect for a festive day like New Year's Eve. And this is when we did that actually. Let me know what you think, leave a comment down below, give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and come back seeing us here for a new tutorial. We are uploading once or twice a week a new video. And thank you for watching. See you back soon. Bye bye.